Good morning and happy Easter. This is Victoria Berry presenting this week's lab submission regarding the physiology of the lungs. And today's experiment is connected with the tidal volume of the lungs. Tidal volume is the amount of air that enters the lungs during quiet breathing when the body is at rest. In a healthy young adult, this tidal volume would be approximately 500 milliliter per inspiration. So for our experiment today, we are going to be measuring the expiratory lung capacity of the lungs by blowing up a balloon. This is quite a bit similar to what would be happening in the doctor's office for an asthmatic patient or one that has COPD or emphysema to blow into a spirometer. So I'm about to demonstrate today's experiment. And I find pinching the nose is greatly helpful for doing this so as not to lose air through the nose. Okay, so the tricky part with this, and I've developed a two-handed technique, is to be sure to get the correct circumference of the balloon. Somehow, I think I'm kind of blowed out today because this is one of my smaller exhales, but you have to wrap it around the balloon. Yeah, this one. Also make sure you've got the correct centimeters rather than inches. Okay, so you just wrap it around. Kind of a tricky technique here. Yeah, this one is a little less than would be usual for me. I'm coming up with 46 centimeters, so a little bit less of a respiratory inhale. Exhalation. Let me try that one again. Oh yeah, this one is definitely a lot better. Not sure why I was having challenge with the first one, but this is much better respiratory effort here. And actually maybe just rolling the balloon. It is a very tricky thing to get the measurement completely around. Right, this one was a lot better where it's 57 and a half. And so this is really not an abstract number. The concept of tidal volume is extremely important for patients, most especially on mechanical ventilation, as many of our COVID patients are right as we speak. And these numbers need to be adjusted based upon the size, the height, the weight of the patient, so as to have maximum mechanical ventilation for these patients. This is something really of critical importance with our current pandemic. And I thank you so much for this opportunity to present this video lab submission. And again, happy Easter to you.